Hi, my name is Donato. Welcome back to my channel. I would like to give a warm welcome back to all the visitors, to you. Thank you for visiting my channel. It's very important for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Now, in this new episode, I'm going to show you how to apply a color pop-up effect to a picture, how to give more contrast. And I'm going to use highlights, shadows, and gradient maps. It would be fantastic. It would be super easy and fast, okay? But as usual, before doing that, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to my channel. The button is right below here. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Okay? Now, don't miss this episode. I'll be right back after this intro. Enjoy. Okay, that was all for this video. Simple, easy, understandable, as promised. If you liked it, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to my channel. The button is right below here. And so you won't miss my next video, which will be about something really interesting, something I'm sure you're gonna like it. Until then, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye.